Hey friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Jain Jujo and you are watching Creative Lab. Today I have created this video as per the request of my YouTube subscribers to run C++ program in any smartphone. Now type ./n to run the program. So now you got the required result. If you get the result, just leave a comment on the video. Thanks for watching. If you really enjoyed the video, like, subscribe, hit the bell icon for more creative stuff. Peace.